Okay, so today we're going to be taking another look at the Rowenta Turbo Silence Extreme 12-inch oscillating table fan. I've had this one for about 2 years, 2.5 years. Yeah, about 2.5 years. And it gets used pretty much every day ever since we've had it. We use it in the bedroom, and I mean, sometimes it doesn't get turned off. It might just run for 24 hours a day for days on end. And then on the other hand, in the wintertime, sometimes it'll go days without being used at all. So on average, we use it pretty much every day. And so this is going to be like the 2-year plus review of the fan. Here's a sticker information. So in my opinion, these are excellent fans. I think that this is probably the best fan out there right now as far as like the basic 3-speed oscillating table fans go. I really like it. I just got done cleaning this one. It wasn't even really that dirty, but it was accumulating some dust, so I cleaned it up. And there's only one thing that I really don't like about the fan, and it's something that most people probably aren't going to care about, but if you're somebody who likes to disassemble the whole fan when you clean and service it, this is an issue. So this the oscillation clutch knob here, it doesn't really come out the way it's supposed to, or the way that it would on other fans. Most other fans like this, you have to pull pretty hard, but they'll come out, and then you can take off this motor housing. This one, I could not get this to pull out. There's no screw or anything in there that I could see. It's just, I think it's glued on actually. So that's kind of annoying. The only way that I think I would really be able to take the motor housing off is I would have to cut around this to get this hole big enough where I could get this through there. But yeah, most people are probably not going to care about that. It's just kind of an annoying thing for somebody that likes to tinker with fans and disassemble them when you clean them. So I didn't even bother to oil the fan really. I just took the grill apart, cleaned the blade, cleaned everything I could without removing the motor housing. And the spin down time is pretty much the same as it was when it was new. So didn't bother to try to oil it. I think it's still in pretty good shape for now. But let's go ahead and run the thing. So it has 4 speeds actually, 1, 2, and the third is turbo boost, and then there's the silent night, which is like the ultra slow speed. And yeah, let's start with 1. So the fan has good blade balance, it's quiet, it moves a decent amount of air. It's pretty solidly built. I mean, it's mostly plastic except for the metal grill, but you know, as far as plastic table fans go, it's well built. We'll do a velocity check on speed 1. Around 700 feet per minute or so. We'll go to speed 2. And low to mid 900s, and we'll go to the turbo boost, and the turbo boost will light up when I turn it on there. Still relatively quiet. I don't feel like I have to raise my voice at all to talk over this. And we're up around 1100 feet per minute, which is pretty good. I mean, that's comparable to like the vintage Galaxy table fans. That's right up there with those fans, which is pretty impressive, I think. I have a few 12-inch table fans like this that are a little more powerful, that get into the 12 to 1300 feet per minute range, but this is pretty solid performance. Okay, so we'll go to the Silent Night. So this is like the ultra slow speed. It's pretty much inaudible, doesn't make any noise, and it just kind of flutters the air out there, so it's really good to have a really nice quiet low speed. Right around 500 feet per minute. And we're on the oscillation. Slow, steady oscillation. I think it might speed up a little bit when I turn it on to like the max speed, the turbo speed with the oscillation on, but even on the turbo speed, it still has a nice slow and steady oscillation. So it speeds up a little bit, but there's none of the like the herky-jerky kind of stuff that you get from some of the other oscillating table fans. This is just pretty mellow. Well, a bunch of stuff around on the refrigerator behind me. Okay, so here's the spin down. I think that's pretty good. You know, running every day for 2.5 years. Doesn't seem to need to be oiled at this point. Yeah, I think these are really good fans. I don't know, I didn't price it before I started the video. I know that I bought this, I think it was like a Black Friday sale. I got it for around 50 bucks or something like that on Amazon. Normally, I think they're quite a bit more than that, up around 80 or 90, somewhere in there. So they can be pretty pricey, but you find them on sale and you can get them for a decent price, I think. I recommend it. The Rowenta Turbo Silence Extreme. Thank you for watching.